I'm going to use a Sharpie so that you can really see my design. And I'm going to start by just making a square on my paper or a rectangle. To do it, I always put the ruler in my left hand and I hold the ruler in the middle, because if I hold it at the top or the bottom, my ruler is going to move. Do we see the shape big to small? This space is bigger than that side. So big to small, and then I rotate my paper. And again, I'm going big to small, and I'm rotating my paper. Big to small, and I'm rotating my paper. What's funny is I still, after doing this, have to say big to small and rotate my paper. See where these two lines touched last time? That's where I'm going to put my ruler this time. I'm not taking it all the way back to the beginning. Big to small, rotate my paper. Again, where those met last time. Big to small, rotate my paper. Big to small, rotate my paper. I'm always putting it in the corner where they went last time. And what do you notice about those lines? They're straight and they run into each other. I can't tell where one line started and the next line stopped. I just keep going and going. Going and going and going and going and going. It does get a little confusing. So you just keep going. Big to small, rotate your paper. Put the ruler in the corner where you just were. Big to small, rotate your paper. Big to small, rotate your paper. So you just keep going. Here's what is not right. Oh, what happened? Yeah. What about that? What happened there?
It didn't touch the corner.
Thank you. It didn't touch the corners. You need to touch the last line that you did. Okay? If that happens, it's kind of okay because it'll look funny, but you can still try to fix it from wherever that line was. The other thing that's important is notice that all these spaces are about the same size apart. They're all just about the same size apart. You don't want to have some place that's really big. They're all about the same size. Ooh, I got really big. So in other words, do I want to do a shape like that? No. That's too big. All about the same. So we're going to practice this today. And again, on the inside, you just have to keep going and going. If you're somebody who gets it, and there will be a few of you that you get it. You want to try to keep them going slow, closer together. If you get it on a square, try it on some different shapes, like a triangle. Okay, so that's and you can see that one area. Maybe if I try to sometimes by putting an extra line in there, it can kind of help it a little bit. So today, you're going to start with a square. Big to small and rotate, big to small and rotate.